Over 1 million people flocked to the Manila North Cemetery to honor their departed loved ones this All Saints Day. This is the first time that the number went up that high since the pandemic. Following the directive of Manila Mayor Honey Lacuna, authorities allowed people to enter the cemetery until 6 in the evening and extended the closing time of the cemetery to 8 p.m. instead of 7. This was to give more time, especially to those who came from the provinces, as well as those who came late due to traffic or bad weather. Some visitors we spoke to say they always prefer to honor their departed loved ones on November 1st, the traditional day of remembering the dead.
Siyempre, para mabisita nga yung parents ko, yung magulang. Ano yung importante sa lahat. O kahit hindi undas, mapapadaan din naman ako.
Hindi po namin to pwedeng ma-miss kasi syempre, kamag-anak po namin, lalo na po lola ko po, and malapit po siya sa amin. Ito na lang po yung way para po makasama po ulit namin siya.
Authorities say the situation at the Manila North Cemetery was peaceful in general. That's even with the large number of people arriving since this morning. Director Rosel Castañeda says those who weren't able to make it today might still flock to the cemetery tomorrow.
Naging maulan po ngayon, bumuhos po ng mga 11 or 12. So tingin ko po yung iba hindi po pumunta kasi umuulan. Ine-expect po siguro bukas magiging maganda ang panahon, so kukunin naman nila yung pagkakataon ng November 2.
The cemetery management expects around 200 to 300,000 people to visit tomorrow. Kari Cator, CNN Philippines.